All right, now that we have our avocados halved and pitted, I'm gonna grab my little tablespoon and we're gonna kind of scoop out some of that avocado so that we have a bigger kind of hole in each of our halves. All right, now we have space for our grape tomatoes that we halved, and we're gonna put a couple halves in each, maybe like 3. That seems about like the perfect amount for each avocado. And I did save those excess that I removed to make some guacamole, but that's obviously optional. So we're gonna quickly put together this easy and delicious appetizer that everyone will love. So let's get 3 little halves on each avocado. All right, and what goes great with tomatoes? Mozzarella. So these are the pearl mozzarella, so they're super small and they go great with these avocados and these tomatoes. And just like the tomatoes, I think I'm gonna add 3 into each. Now, depending on how big your avocados are, you can add more or less, but this is such a fun little vessel for this appetizer, and it is tasty. So we're getting 3 little mozzarella balls right in there. Oh my, you can mix these 2 ahead of time and put them in there, but I think this is just as easy with less dishes. Now coming in with my basil, and we're gonna put a little bit of basil on each of our avocados, just like so. This adds the best flavor for that avocado, that mozzarella, and that tomato. I have made this without the avocado many a times, but this is gonna be the best one yet. We have a special guest from Italy, our balsamic glaze. This is some fancy stuff, but it's really gonna pull the flavors together. You can use whatever balsamic glaze you have, but we want this good stuff. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. Now you can put it all over the avocado. You can put it just in the center. Do what your heart desires, but this fresh take on a salad is perfect for summer. And we're just finishing off with that balsamic glaze. Oh, gorgeous. All right, and now I have some olive oil. It's not as fancy, but it's just as tasty. And we're gonna do a nice little drizzle of that on here. Super quick, so we have everything coming together so easy. We have the avocado, the tomatoes, the mozzarella, the basil, the balsamic, and the olive oil. All right, now the only thing this is missing is a little bit of seasoning. So we're gonna start off with our pepper and just a little bit of pepper on each one, some freshness, some tastiness, and then last but certainly not least, a little bit of salt. And now our beautiful avocado caprese Italian salad is ready to enjoy. Look how stunning that is. I cannot wait to dig in. It is avocado season, it is tomato season, it is the season for Italy. All right, got a little bit of avocado, a little mozzarella. No way. It's fun, it's cute, and it's tasty.